Hello and welcome to my new guitar nerdery video. I like to show you some powerful bendings and a cool trick to give the illusion that your bending is powerful. If you have bendings in your solo and you want to punch them out, there's no place for being shy or playing safe. A great amount of risk is the thing that will get you there, to get the attitude. Instead of playing safe, like this, you can also play like this. And the dirt that comes with playing the guitar very hard is actually what we want. That is my first tip for playing a powerful bending. Put some dirt before the note. And I don't know if we can call it psychoacoustics. If the note rises out of the dirt, it seems to have more power. Let me give you an example. If you want, for example, bend the A on the B string to the B, it sounds more powerful if you hit the muted strings before the note. You get that scratch. It sounds more powerful when the note comes out of the dirt. And now I want to show you some powerful bendings using two strings. The one I show you now, I call the Jimi Hendrix bending. You hold one note, in this case the A, on the E string. I also fret the G on the B string. And then you bend only the B string to the A. And you can surely hear that fluttering of the interference between them two notes until they meet. When it stops fluttering, we have reached the A on the B string. So we have the same notes. We have actually this. What gives the impression of power is just that dissonant interference, that screaming sound. And it's even easier to play on the G and the B string. We have only to span 2 frets instead of 3. And there again, you hold one note, here's the E, here's the D, and I bend the D to the E. Another way to make that Jimi Hendrix bending even more screaming is when you're gonna bend the note beyond your target note. That's a whole tone bending, and I'm gonna push the note further up. The next powerful bending I'm gonna show you I call the Western train bending. This bending also works with interference with dissonance, giving the impression of power and edge. It's played on the B and the G string. You fret the G on the B string and the D on the G string. And you wanna get here. The G stays put, but you bend the D to the E. Also, on the way from the D to the E, you get a lot of interference, a lot of dissonance, and adding some dirt before playing that bending makes it even more powerful. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you next time.